All right, boomskis. To take off this C-pillar, it's actually really simple. So all you want to do, stick your hand here, kind of here, and pull it. You see that clip pops out, and then this part should slide right out. And then there's a little clip tab here. As you can see, this clip tab, all you have to do is pry down on that little piece of plastic here, and then this shit comes right out. And I'm gonna show you guys how to take this side off right now. All right, so you see this little side pillar here. I believe all there is clips. So I'm just gonna get under it, just pop it off. Little by little. Should just pop off real easy. You see how it just came off? And you got all your plastic clips here. And then now I'm gonna show you how to get that centerpiece dash off, as you can see right there. Show you how to get that piece off. Middle piece is fairly simple. You just wanna get you a little pry tool, come underneath it, and just kind of pop it up. See, pop one, pop the other, and just kind of work your way around it. But from that, you're just gonna go all the way around it. You see, go all the way around it and pop it up slowly. And I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I get it up. So I'm just gonna get on this side, pop it up. It's kind of hard to do at this angle, but get on this side, get underneath him, and just slowly pop them up. Plastic pry tool's better. That side popped. Just work your way down. Kind of see how I'm working it down. Slowly prying it up. And this piece should just come right up. That's basically how you pop them up. And then I'll show you guys once I get it fully removed. So once you get everything popped, it's gonna look like this. Everything's kind of popped out. And you can kind of just pop it up a little bit and then bring it out of the car. Real simple. Bring it out just like that. Try not to scratch your damn dash. And this motherfucker come right out the car. Once you're at this point, you're gonna get you a 7mm to break those loose. And then you could get it off with the Phillips. Do that on both sides, and then we're gonna get our new speakers installed. Boomskis. With these speakers, it's actually pretty easy, but if you ever needed to figure out what side polarity is on, this one was bigger, this one was smaller, but if it's not, it's real simple. You're just gonna strip some wire and you're gonna hook it up. As you can see, I already kind of made my own little harness, but you get the negative and you get the positive, and you can see that speaker going in and out, right? So this is telling me that I have the correct polarity. But then, for example, if the polarity was incorrect, you can see that the speaker goes inside. Okay, boomskis. Because I didn't buy the wiring kit, I actually have to strip into my factory harness. My recommendation is buy the wiring kit. I'll have a link in the description below of the actual part you can use, so you can actually skip this step. But I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do it. So you see the wire on the left side, you see the wire on the right side. The one on the left side is positive, and I actually verified that with the battery test, because this can only hook up one way, right? So I plugged it in like this, and I did the battery test, and I was able to determine that this is positive and this is negative. So yeah, definitely my recommendation is buy the wiring kit so you don't have to do this. So now I got the factory connector cut. I'm going to strip this wire, and I'm actually gonna solder and heat shrink my new ones. All right, I got my cables, I got them twisted up. I'm just gonna put a little bit of flux on it to make it easier. I got my heat shrink already ran. Double check your polarity, it's looking good. The red on the black and the yellow on the red. Let's get a little bit of flux on that. Not too good. I'm not too sure how y'all can see this. How well y'all can see this, that is. And I will be heat shrinking these wires together as well, just so we can maintain that good connection. Boom, like it. All right, So once you got these nice and on there and it's hot, we're gonna fold these over and then we're going to heat shrink them. And that being said, that's all there is to it. So you really just gotta do that on the other side and that should be good. Once you got everything in, you're just gonna go ahead and put that plastic cover back on, but y'all see I got the speakers screwed back in and installed, and we're finna put the cover on right now. That, you just snap everything back in, reverse orders, you took it off, and I'm gonna have a sound test to prove the difference.
What I said, but I meant it. Back and forth, we are demented. Let's link up in an instant. We love when we fuck when we mix it. I love when we fuck and I missed it. I didn't really want too much, but she was optimistic. What I said, but I meant it. Back and forth, we are demented. Let's link up in an instant. We love when we fuck when we mix it. I love when we fuck and I missed it. I didn't really want too much, but she was optimistic.